Hey everyone, instead of a normal video this week, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. It now marks 5 years on YouTube, and they've been 5 ridiculous years. And I just want to thank each and every one of you. And I'm thrilled to announce that I'm now launching my very first product. It is just the basic MIDI drum grooves. These are MIDI drum grooves that you can use in any DAW, any drum instrument, or just the stock options inside your DAW. All the MIDI grooves are mapped to general MIDI, so you can use them in anything. And you can manipulate them to suit your song. Sometimes we're in the process of writing a song, and maybe we have the riff, but we need something to help kind of just bring it forward. Just use a basic groove. Any drum software, drag it in, and you immediately have a flushed out drum groove just to get you going. You can keep it in your song. These are royalty free to be used anytime you want. Just the basic drum grooves are available for $10, but there's also a free version. So use the links down in the description. Head over to timflansbaum.com and pick up just the basics MIDI drum grooves. Thank you so much for 5 years, and I'll see you next week.